Well, by this time NATA results should get announced. As per the COA informations, they said they will announce it by 8 p.m. Now again we contacted. As per the information, it may delay a few hours or max by tomorrow first half you will get the result. Well, we do understand because I was getting the call from since morning itself. Many students was asking me what will happen, when is the result, what to do, what not to do. So we thought, okay, let's find the solution of it. We try, we contacted, we got the information which we have given you. So it was completely official, not officially announced, but that's what got confirmed by them and team. But well, if you ask me in this situation right now what to do, I do understand the situation and mindset what we all are having right now, and the most of the students, because there will be a lot of problem in your exams. During the exam question got skipped, some center having some issue. For that also we raise the questions, we send the mail. Well, so we are there with this. We understand the entire scenario, patterns and the problems of students, and we decided to discuss. But few things are already decided by NATA. The one thing, in between this time you will not have exam. Now again you need to write only the one option, you need to write 12th exam. So that all you can focus on right now in current scenario and situation. And meanwhile just wait, it's just matter of few more hours. And the technical issue and glitch, we cannot even say that why it's not happened, because technical issue and glitch can come in any system. So that's happened today and that's what is getting delayed. So let's see. But yeah, being a management, being this all things, they should be prepared for it, they should be ready for it by the time, and it should get announced, because there is a very less gap and many students are waiting in fact to fill the form of second round, which is the last date is tomorrow. So maybe your last date will also extend by one more day. And if you haven't filled the form and you are waiting for first round of the result and then you want to fill the form, so obviously you will get time to wait for it. So it is very important information. Please pass on to your friend also, because we have informed you first about your result time and results. So obviously we want you to know about it, and we want to know the real thing, what happened exactly behind of this. Well guys, so wish you all the best for your result. Do not forget to contact us back if any queries you have. Write your comments and we will take it. We'll take it very positively, because many students, whenever they ask for the test or anything, so we decide as a management and we started giving the free test, because many students were saying that how come your students are getting so much marks, how we'll get what need to be done. So we assign, we give, we do. So make sure let us know, we'll help you with that and we'll assign you that. So wish you all the best guys for your result. I'll connect you again from after your result.